Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Huel discount code to your next Huel order. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you received a Huel discount code, or maybe you referred a friend and you got a discount code. How do you actually go ahead and use it to your next Huel order? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So I recently ran into this problem, and the way that I figured it out is that I'm on a Huel subscription plan. So what I did was that I clicked on subscriptions. So first log into Huel, obviously, and then click on subscriptions. Right now we have some information that's blurred out here, but you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on where it says manage subscription. Now, once you click on manage subscription, you want to scroll all the way down again. And then once you scroll all the way down, we have some blurred out information here, but right above the blurred out information, there's going to be this option that says add a discount code. So we're going to click on add a discount code. And then we're going to copy and paste our code, click on submit. And now you can see that our discount code for Huel has been applied. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Huel discount code for your next Huel order. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.